Are you looking for that product for your hair that gives you that really nice, luxurious feeling, but is also nourishing your hair? This is a product that I absolutely love. I've been using this for over 20 years. This is the Kerastase conditioner. This is a high density conditioner, something that you put in your hair about once a week. It's almost like a hair mask, if you will. It strengthens and detangles your hair, and it gives you this really intense softness to your hair and makes it look so beautiful. You just go ahead and you substitute that out for your regular conditioner once a week. And this is the shampoo that I use along with it. It has a really beautiful light scent to it that lasts in your hair. It cleans your hair, nourishes your scalp. It shampoos and suds up really well. They work so well together along with all the other products that this company makes. I love this product and I highly recommend it.